Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. A couple of videos back, I created a fake behind the scenes of Lightning McQueen from Cars. And now, I want to continue the series with the Powerpuff Girls. The Powerpuff Girls was chosen through a poll on my Instagram story. I was asking if you guys want to see the Powerpuff Girls or Sailor Moon as my next project. And the PPG had a narrow victory over the Pretty Soldiers. But fear not, Sailor Moon fans, I had something prepared for you. You are not forgotten. But for now, it's time for the Powerpuff Girls. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. The first thing that I do is to find the scene that I want to create the fake behind the scenes from. This part from the intro where they all fly together to fight looks just about right. The fake behind the scene is going to be set in a fake studio obviously, so I created these lines to help set where the floor and the walls of the studio are going to be. I want to imagine the Powerpuff Girls being performed by performers in green suits and costumes. I also take several inspirations on pictures of guys cosplaying as the girls. Let's just say this has been a very fun reference research. This isn't supposed to be realistic, I mean it's called fake behind the scenes to begin with. It's supposed to be silly and over the top, so I make the performer being lifted in a dramatic acrobatic pose. Next, it's time for Bubbles. She's positioned just below Blossom, so I'm putting the performers in an acro-yoga-like position. Buttercup is positioned only slightly lower than Bubbles. So these fake performers are doing a crunch-up version of the position the others did for Bubbles. Since Blossom and Bubbles have longer hair, it flows when they fly, so I create these extra fake green suit people responsible for the movement of their hair. I actually got an inspiration for this from Superman Returns behind the scenes video, where people in green suits actually control the movement of Superman's cape. But since mine is fake, I want to make it extra silly by having them on top of one another. I'm adding some fan for that extra windy effect, and I'm going to finish this off by drawing the background and add some extra details. This is going to be a tedious and repetitive process, so I'm just gonna fast forward to save us some time. And there you go! The fake behind the scenes of the Powerpuff Girls. This has been a fun and therapeutic drawing process for me. It's relaxing and somewhat nostalgic. What fake behind the scenes I should make next? Leave a suggestion on the comment down below. I hope you guys like this video. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!